The farmer is preparing the land for the upcoming tulip season. Tulip bulbs get planted in the autumn, somewhere between the end of September and the start of December. Covering with straw is necessary to protect the tulip bulbs against frost damage. Now starts the rest period. In order for the bulbs to bloom in the spring, they need weeks of at least 5 degrees. The bulbs begin to change as the starch, or carbohydrates in them, turns to sugar. As this occurs, the leaves and flower gradually push upwards out of the bulb. The tulips are in bloom. They receive their nourishment from the roots. Only the brown skin of the bulb remains as all of the energy has gone to the bloom. Did you know that a tulip mania took place in the Netherlands in the 17th century? Some species of tulips costed more than a house, and having tulips in your home back then was as impressive as having a Ferrari in your garage today. Did you know that tulips come in pretty much every color of the rainbow, except blue? Pure blue tulips only exist by paint or Photoshop. Did you know that no less than 2 billion tulips from the Netherlands are exported all around the world every year? After the blooming period, the blooms are cut and the leaves are left on the plant. The new daughter bulbs will be using the food values of the leaves to grow. Up to 5 small bulbs can be expected to grow out of the mother bulb. They form their roots slowly and develop their blooms and leaves within the bulb for next year's plant. By Ewald.